Can you see yourself in the 2021 Volkswagen Jetta? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this Volkswagen Jetta, the compact sedan that's tastefully understated, practical, and fun to drive. Its impressive fuel efficiency, smooth ride, zesty performance, and numerous safety features make it ideal for families and commuters. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, trip computer, automatic headlights. Make every journey a pleasure in this comfortable, well-appointed Jetta. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.